My daughter is not feeling too fine, but I have to make her because the following day she will be going to school. Hello mommies, join me as I make this cute hairstyle for my daughter. On this hairstyle, we are going to be sectioning her hair into 5 parts, and that 5 parts, a little from the front and the rest are from her ear to the other ear, and I'll just be doing that to the rest of the hair, making it 5 sessions. Then after that, you will be using your hair gel, any gel that is best good for you. Like me, I love using red one. Okay, is the back are 4 parts and the one at the front, making it 5. So normally I love using a red one and shine and jam. For those that don't know the difference between those two gels, is that the shine and jam leave no stink on the hair, while this other red one leave a little bit of this flakes on the hair, but not that much. When you use the shine and jam, it doesn't last more. Depending on for my daughter hair, I've noticed it doesn't slink it longer for a longer time. So when I'm making her hair, I love using the both, the shine and jam for the shine and the red one to slink it for it to last longer. So after all the slinking, I've used my rubber band to band the back of the hair, and just a little bit of beautifying the front by cutting it into 2 sections and using our rubber band to band it, because we'll be attaching it to the other ones that will be parting. After that, we'll attach it and we'll mend the rest of the hair together, making it 4. Then the little one at the front that I section will be unrolling it into 3 parts. Then after that, also in this session, some people do use extensions to bring out the puff or to make the hair a little bit bigger, but in this video I use a natural hair. Just weave the tip of the hair, use your bobby pin to pin it down, and it will give you this look that I'm creating right now. So you'll be doing the same process to all of the 4 sections that we made at the back. Use your bobby pin to secure it. After securing it firmly, we'll be needing our net. If you are a lover of wigs, you know this net always come from a wig. When you buy a new wig, there is this net that come with it, so I just keep it for this particular hairstyle. After that, I use it to secure the whole of the hairs together, because I don't want it to get scattered immediately. Secure it, knot it, and hide the remaining excess one inside the hair. So I'll be doing 3 cornrow at the front of the hair, of which you are seeing right now. If you've watched this video to this extent, meaning you love what you are watching, please do me well to follow, like and comment, share to your loved ones. Leave your comment in the comment section what you think about my video. See how beautiful the hair is right now, so cute, and she loves it. Then after that, we'll be adding this our sunflower accessory to the hair. Then we are done with this cute hair. See you in my next video. Bye.